So I'm First Class V here, back with another gcss-army video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to add comments to an ESR. I've had several requests on how to do this. As a maintenance manager, this is your bread and butter. This is where you make your money. This gives you the ability to communicate at each echelon what is going on with the equipment. Some useful tips for the comments: anytime you have a SAR, put the SAR number on the ESR. If you know that it's in shop and it's going to be completed, put an ESD. Simple as that. So with that said, let me share my screen and I'm going to show you how to update comments on the ESR. So for this, equipment situation report is your T code. All right, so I'm just gonna boom, boom. So when you pull your ESR, there are several ways you can do this. All right, one, watch my video on variants. You'll be able to pull everything at once. So I always go A to Z. Now you can go A to E, A to T, whatever you may be. Equipment operational status, NMC. You can click this little multi-box here, and you can clear if you just want hard deadlines, circle deadlines, etc. All right. But for a battalion like me, we have an SMC, so a lot of stuff gets evac to them. So if you scroll down, include sub work orders. Sub work orders will allow you to view weapons that may be evac to another unit, equipment at LRC, IMD, things like that. All right. So another helpful tip. So down here, show system doc numbers, show support document numbers. So you can show the actual document number with your DODAC, or you can show the 18, the 45s, and so forth. All right. So I always show the document numbers because it comes in handy when you're searching parts on IGC. All right, now I'm going to do a separate video and show you guys how to actually track down your parts. So if you know you got equipment on loan, you can go ahead and check this box here, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is execute. All right, so if you scroll all the way over to the right, you got component remarks and equipment remarks, okay? So I started helping this unit out, so SAR submitted on this date. All right, shipped. If you know your part shipped from Tracy, California, Fort Bliss, whatever the status of that part is, you can put that right there. That helps communicate from like battalion to brigade, brigade to division, division to corps. It's pretty self-explanatory. So all you're going to do to update a comment is you're going to highlight the row, update component. All right, so you can, I'm going to clear it. I don't want to get rid of what they wrote, but type in what you want and fix it in a second. All right, now you can also update equipment remark. Okay, so for equipment remarks, I like using that portion for my estimated completion dates. If something is pending a flipple, ECOD, something like that, I like to put it right there. So what's today, 16 March. Right? Just go ahead and save. All right, so when you go to print, just hit the print button here, print preview, and you can see our remarks. ECOD 16 March, SAR submitted, alpha, 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 what we did. All right, now a helpful tip here: when you go to print your ESR, all you got to do is hit PDF, exclamation point, enter. This allows you to actually save as a PDF file directly to your computer. Don't have to print it and all that stuff. All right, and that helps you, especially if you send out the ESR daily. You can highlight all the stuff you need to fix. I'm going to go into a separate video on how to actually read the ESR and what an ESR is supposed to look like and some issues that I constantly see. And like I said, you'll just go trust host. You can save to the desktop. Hope you like this video. Thank you for all your support over the past few days. I'm blown away. If there's some other topic you want to learn, let me know. I'll be dropping a bunch more videos in the next 72 hours, so stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.